Nobody knows what I go through.
Out of West Philly.
Wish you could put yourself inside.
That's how we do it.
You got friends that ain't friends no more.
Esports in the game.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we need to turn it up. Class, Bob, we take it up a little higher. So high, yeah. Now when I'm feeling down and out, I'm feeling out of commission, I call you up in a minute, you come on over, I hit it. I was the one who said he's never gonna do it, but did it. Yeah, your love is addictive, without the hugging and kissing, you got me breaking the bank, got me spending my dough. I love the way that you taste and leave your scent on my clothes. You take my breath away, choked up, literally. My body felt the pain those couple days when we broke up. You killing me. Yeah, my parents tried to pre-warn me, but now we higher than E40 and King Gordy. When I'm in the studio recording, it seems boring until you come around each morning and reward me. Losing my nerves when I was feeling them tight. Yeah, falling in love, but kept me up every night. We've been together for years, I can't believe that it lasted. I love you till you're gone and you're nothing but ashes. You smoking, girl.